Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video, and I'm back again with a new table topic. So the table topic for today is cars reflect their owners. Cars reflect their owners. Oh, car reflect their owners. A pretty interesting topic, and cars reflect their owners. So basically, what we are trying to say is that the materialistic things also dictates who you are, right? So, for example, if anything that you purchase, anything belonging that you have, for example, your house, right? How much clean do you keep it? It also reflects you who you are. But coming to that, cars reflect their owners. For me, it's a very different. It's very hard to take a stand or say that cars reflect their owners. I don't fully agree because it depends on lots of other things. For example, if you are rich and then you can afford to have afford to employ someone to wash your car, clean and mop your houses, and keep it always clean, right? But it doesn't mean that it's exactly who you are. It might mean that maybe your bedroom reflects. Maybe like it's very difficult, right? If you are rich and you have all the resources at your hand to identify that who you are, and you are not going to understand unless you talk interact with them, right? So in those lines, for those people who are not rich or who do not employ someone, or the people who likes to take care of their own things, so for those kinds of people it might be true that if you are a middle class person and how you keep your car inside and outside, that also reflects who you are. How does your house look like? It reflects who you are. So I partly agree, but I disagree with the whole that it can help use as the what kind of honor would be. So, but in also in so I know that if you have big cars like Mercedes, you can infer that that person might be rich. But there are other set of people who don't like to boast their wealth. They keep their houses simple. They have simple cars. So it's very difficult to judge, and I don't want people to judge, and I also uh, try not to judge. So that's my message is it's very difficult to gauge the honor or what kind of honor it has been by simply looking at their materialistic things. Thank you. Over to you.